Hi, I'm Joey Yap. This year I'm 40 years old. I work as a senior financial consultant in Great Eastern. I got one son, he's 6 years old now, and I got of course got a husband. After that, when I give birth, right, then after exactly 1 month confinement, I was found out with stage 3 rectal cancer. That is the start of my nightmare actually. Because of my age, I get it in a very early stage in 33 years old. I have my 4 times my cancer come back. I just have a treatment in 2020. I have a chemo and radio, and I have half of my right lungs removed. Altogether 6 years fighting already. Initially, the first few years, right, I don't even dare to tell people around me unless they are my close friends. For over the past 5 years, actually, I'm not able to work because of my continuous cancer treatment. But now, I think when the cancer strike for the 3rd time, I found faith. I feel that spiritually, it propelled me to keep going. And one of my sisters in Christ told me that, hey, since God give you not only 2nd and 3rd chance, must be for a reason. You know, for us, we always believe, right, when we are blessed, we have to be a blessing to others. That is a time that I decided I want to share my story to others people. Actually, the first few years, I keep on crying because I cannot handle my emotion. But by doing the patient ambassador, and I found out that actually I'm not alone. There is a lot of people, and some of them are even worse than me, but they still live their life to the fullest. And by the more I sharing, right, the more I can let go. Yeah. And I feel like it made me keep on going because it made me have a purpose in life. Actually, the world is so beautiful. Our life, we can still live like normal. For me, even after I finish my treatment, so I still do my things that I love. I still do cookies. I even run marathons. And I think that's made me keep on going to do the things that I love.
This lock is a cancer. Beat the crap out of this shit. Okay. Nice.
So I hope that by doing this, right, I want to tell that we are cancer survivors, we are not alone. There is so many beautiful souls around there that have a kind heart, they want to give back. Nothing is non-achievable if we have a strong mindset to do it. The universe will help us.
Hi everyone. We are here in Pulau Ubin. What we are doing is we are training for our extreme charity expeditions. And why do we do this? Right, there are a few reasons. One is to tell people that it is okay to talk about cancer. We want to raise awareness, and we also want to raise funds. And there's this initiative called Cancer Can Give. All right, it is a platform for cancer survivors like myself, Amy, and Zoe to be able to give back to society. And that's why we are doing this. We want to tell you that as cancer survivors, we still have it in us to help others who are less fortunate than us by raising awareness and raising funds. So you can do your bit too. Reach out and help those who are less fortunate. So hope you have a great week ahead. Thank you so much.
Good night. Good night.